Today we are restoring the trim on my 2005 Cargo Khaki Honda Element, and we're using this black trim restore. Let me grab it real quick. So we're using this here. This is the Solution Finish Black Trim Restorer, and it's going to make your khaki go from this to this. So this is less of an instructional video. It's just to show you the results. So let's get into it. And if you guys want to get this, I'll leave the link down below in the description. All right, so now that we got everything taped off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use two microfiber cloths. So we're gonna have one which is strictly for applying the product. We're just gonna use circular motions. And then the second microfiber cloth is once it's applied, we're just gonna take the clean one and give it a wipe or two just to make sure it's all smooth and clean, and we should have great results. So here's the results. I think it came out great. It was only like 20 bucks to get everything. And that little 1 ounce bottle was just barely enough to get all of the plastics. I didn't get a chance to get up here because I ran out of that fluid. So if you want to upgrade to get the bigger bottle, you definitely can. But the 1 ounce bottle will cover almost all of it. So depending on your needs. Please be sure to follow along and subscribe as we continue to build out the khaki for the In My Element podcast. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.